Right here.
Come on, sir.
Oh, he's out quick from Enterprise on the left side of the course. Dominique Bequisito, keep an eye on him. Hard in that race. Keep an eye on Gregory Harper from last line. Please clear the star area, please, especially down by the finish.
Yeah, Katie! Katie! Yeah! Yeah, Katie!
Oh, look at oh, they didn't put it. The breeze going away. There you go. Get off it.
All right, Matthew!
2-mile, incredible times as a freshman. Watch him. He's ranked 10th on the overall state rankings, but he's going to have his hands full with Lance. Runner set. There goes Adrian Rodriguez from San Benito out to the lead. And Lance Wolfsmith from Sobrado making a big charge into first. Antonio Dorado from North County out on the outside.
Good job, Andrew! Good job,
Way to go, SI! Way to go, Christopher! Way to go! Way to go, Alex! Way to go! All the way through! All the way through! All the way through! Way to go, Andrew!
Let's go, Hector!
Way to go! Way to go, SI! Way to go! Way to go, Ryan!
Come on, Steve! Good job, Janine!
Way to go, Christopher! Way to go, SI! Way to go, SI! Keep going! Keep going! You got it! You got it!
Go all the way in, bud.
Way to go, Ryan!